Today we'll be applying the new foundation for Nars called Light Reflecting Foundation. The Nars Light Reflecting Foundation is an advanced makeup skincare hybrid, meaning it's makeup that acts like skincare. This foundation is incredibly gentle and is suitable for most skin types, including sensitive skins. One pump of this foundation is all you need. Warm it up with your fingertips and start applying. The new Nars foundation comes in 36 global shades, so there's a shade for everyone. The Light Reflecting Foundation is a very lightweight texture with medium buildable coverage. This formula is perfect for helping to conceal blemishes and imperfections, even redness, whilst looking very natural and skin-like in texture. This formulation also features our exclusive photochromic technology, which helps to blur fine lines, uneven texture, and pores, and making the skin look smooth and seamless. Not only are there immediate benefits, this formula helps to even out your complexion over time. It evens skin tone by an incredible 93%. It also helps to improve skin clarity with just 6 weeks of use. This dynamic formulation is loaded with 70% skincare ingredients to help protect your skin against environmental aggressors and blue light. It immediately strengthens your skin barrier to help lock in moisture. The bottom line is we've added everything your skin needs and nothing it doesn't, which is why we formulated this without mineral oil, silicone, and parabens. The result? Skin in its best light. Radiant Creamy Concealer is the #1 selling prestige concealer in the US. This creamy, buildable formula is coveted by artists and editors everywhere. The concealer is enriched with hydrating, multi-action skincare benefits and light diffusing technology, so it instantly obscures imperfections and diminishes fine lines and signs of fatigue with a luxurious texture and luminous finish. It delivers medium, buildable coverage and a radiant finish, and has long-lasting 16-hour wear. Radiant Creamy Concealer is available in 30 shades. The perfect partner to Light Reflecting Foundation is the cult favorite Nars Light Reflecting Setting Powder. Lightweight and easy to blend, this iconic formula locks in makeup all day and now comes in 4 shades. It has a weightless and luminous finish. It also contains Nars' signature light reflecting complex, which optimizes light reflection on the skin, creating a soft, focused effect by optically fading fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. To help keep skin comfortable all day, Light Reflecting Setting Powder contains microfine mineral powders loaded with glycerin and antioxidant-rich vitamin E. This powder is a no flashback formula and features photochromic technology that diffuses and adjusts to new sources of light, so your skin looks perfect in person and on camera.